One of the ways that we can easily manipulate the factors of an expression in order to cancel other factors in other expressions is to multiply by a -1. If we look at these two, we look basically like the same thing in reverse. We have 6 minus a, and then a minus 6. But if we want to know what's really going on here, we can factor a -1 out of either one of these expressions, or we could multiply a -1 by either one of these expressions. So let's factor a -1 out of the top. This is really -1 times -6 plus a. If I take -1 times -6, that's +6. And -1 times +a is -a. If I really want to look at it, I have -6 plus a, which I can rewrite as +a minus 6. And that's exactly what I have in the denominator, so these cancel out. This expression is really equal to -1. If we have one thing subtracting another, and then those same two items except reversed and the subtraction still holds, there is a relationship of -1 to 1. So look to factor a negative out. So what we're going to do here is we're going to look at this expression and we're going to write it a bunch of different equivalent ways. Here the negative sign is out front, but if we wanted to, we could distribute this -1 over the numerator and get -x plus 2 over x plus 5. We could also have rewritten this as 2 minus x over x plus 5. We could also have distributed this negative over the denominator, in which case we would have x minus 2 over -x minus 5, which we could also write as x minus 2 over -5 minus x. So using -1 both when factoring an expression or when simplifying an expression can help you to expose different terms that you would then be able to cancel if you were multiplying or dividing by other expressions.